Hi, hello, good morning. How are you doing? In 15 minutes we have the open of the German DAX, so let's see what we can expect for today, at least for the open. If we look at the daily, like we always do, today we are inside yesterday. Yesterday was kind of, we first went down and then in the end there was like a rally. It was led by the Dow Jones. So, however, if you have this bar here, we're still kind of going sideways, going choppy. Remember, we made 769 points here, but here we made 777, and there's not really a much of a retracement. So for the coming days, unless we get a big move up, I'm still quite bearish actually. Anyway, let's just see what's going on today. We moved 0.7% down. The range is 19% right now. Very interesting. If you check the 15-minute in the Asian session, we went down 141 points. That's bigger than any move yesterday. If you look at yesterday, see, we in the afternoon after the Dow open, we went up and we kind of completely undid that move in the Asian session. So quite interesting. Let's check the levels. In the last hours we haven't been able to break 15,050, and we have like a double support here, which is S1 and the round number, right? And of course there's also a little bit further away, 15,000. However, during the open we should be able to just, quite easily break those levels. Of course, it remains to be seen if the bar will end above it or below it, etc. What also could happen is that we first go to this area, and there's also quite some resistance there because of the 15,150 area, and we have the pivot. Those points, the pivot, which is the high plus the low plus the close divided by 3, and also S1, those points are very important points during the opening. So anyway, just because of this move, I'm actually I wouldn't buy very easily right now. I think that at the most we will get a move up here to this area, maybe to these highs, or maybe even these highs, right? Like I just said. And then we may go down, or we may just go down straight away, and then we could go short on a retracement. So let's see what's going to happen, but my bias is for now to the short side. So it says 0.58% we went down. Right now that's, let me see, 67. The interesting thing, again, this area hasn't been broken since, I don't know, since hours, So it's unquestionably, it's quite an important area, and it can lead to price going up and down a little bit here. And so don't buy and don't sell in the middle here. That's not a good area. Just look at this and look at this. Here you sell as soon as price goes down, and here you could buy, but I would hesitate with that. Just just because we because of this 15-minute bar. So when does it change? When does the structure change? Well, we already have some longer legs up here. But you see this 91 here? I would say if we go up like 91, we go above here, we really have to trade above here, then my bias would go to the long side. This is exactly 91, so that will be a good area, but it would also be a good area to sell. So if we bounce off here, I will go short. But for the open, I would just take a neutral approach. I would not just jump in, just because we are in this choppy area and we're in the middle of this choppy area here. The mid-range is usually not a very good area to trade in, because you know, you go long or short here, you need a stop of whatever 75 points or something, and 57 or 50 or 75 points, that's just too much of a loss. So watch these levels, 15,000, 1550, and this one here. Usually you don't see price bouncing off here, but it will go just a little bit further here to pick up extra liquidity, right? I mean, why would it just go down here if they can push it just a little bit more? At 2:15 Central European time, we have non-farm employment change. So some employment figures. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims. That's a little bit more important, I think. But yeah, well, anyway, it's going to be a moment to enter the market at a good price, probably, depending on what's going to happen before. So I wish everyone good luck trading, and I may be back with an update later. We'll see about that, but good luck. In 8 minutes we have the opening, and look for a bounce in this area. Thank you. Bye bye.